G'day! Today we will substitute numbers into algebraic expressions. What does that mean? Well, in all sorts of rules, we can replace the variables with numbers and work out things like the stopping distance of a car if we know its speed, or the height of a person if we know their upper leg bone length, or find the area of a picture if we know its length, and so on. We'll do those later, but first let's do some easier algebraic expressions. For these equations, let's assume that the variable a has a value of 1, b has a value of 2, c has a value of 3, and d has a value of -2. To make it easier to explain, we'll put these numbers onto notes that can move. Let's substitute into the expression 5 plus a. A has the value of 1, so 5 plus 1 equals 6. Now let's substitute into the expression 4b minus 3. There's an invisible multiply sign between 4 and b is 2, so that's 4 times 2 minus 3. That's 8 minus 3, so the answer's 5. C squared minus 1. That's 3 squared minus 1, which is 9 minus 1, so the answer is 8. 3d plus 4. Remember that there is an invisible multiply sign between the 3 and d. We substitute -2 for d to get 3 times -2 plus 4. 3 times -2 is -6. So -6 plus 4 is -2. Now let's do some real-life examples. To estimate the stopping distance of a car on a highway, just multiply the speed in kilometres per hour by 0.3. So what is the stopping distance of a car travelling at 100 kilometres per hour? Well, the speed of 100 kilometres per hour multiplied by 0.3 gives the stopping distance of 30 metres. That's the length of about 6 cars. This picture has a length of 10 centimetres and a width of 4 centimetres. What is its area? First, we write the rule. Area of rectangle equals length times width. Now substitute the numbers. The length is 10 and the width is 4. The area of this picture is 40 centimetres squared. Here is the last example. Forensic scientists have found that a human's height can be estimated using this equation when the upper leg bone length is known. If the upper leg bone is 40 centimetres long, what is the estimated height of a person? The height in centimetres equals the upper leg bone length in centimetres multiplied by 2.6 and then 65 is added. Now substitute the numbers. So 40 centimetres times 2.6 is 104. Add 65 and the height of the person is 169 centimetres. Thank you for watching this video.